Hi guys, how are you? I am back now in Facebook, YouTube. Look at this Cindy, very looking good, nice pink color flowers, looking very nice. This is situated flowers in my village, Budia colonies. It's like very wonderful, very nice, very beautiful. Every people like it. This flowers, pink colors flowers is very beautiful, very wonderful. Every people like it very much. You have no mate in town areas in as good looking flowers. It's only look meet you in my village, Budia colonies. It's very looking nice, wonderful nature, green environment, and beautiful flowers, white flowers, and pink white flowers is looking also very nice, very beautiful, very wonderful. Every people like it very much. Its environment, green environment, trees, mango trees, all around the trees are looking very nice, very purification environment, nature. I like it very much. Everybody like it very much. I love it very much. Very beautiful nature surrounded in green environment. Nature, I like it very much. Do you have people like it? Yes, every people like it very much. Rose flower and pink side flowers like it very much. Thank you. Okay, bye.